Pressing this button is illegal, but I did it anyways. This is real money, and today I'm gonna try to photocopy it just to see what happens. But unlike other experiments on this channel, please don't try this at home. Alright, here we go. While it is scanning, something really interesting is happening. A head with a light is moving across the money to illuminate it, while a sensor from below captures the light and turns it into electrical signals. These signals are then interpreted into a digital form, and then they are rasterized to a CMYK color space. This is what printers use. The image is then sent to the printer, which prints it out. But the catch is that modern printers are supposed to detect money and stop us from being able to photocopy it. So before I look at the printout, I'm gonna make a prediction about what it will look like. By my research, when Indian money is detected in a printer, it only prints it out in a very low quality no matter the settings you selected. So I'm gonna predict that the quality of the printout will be nothing like the original. Alright, moment of truth. Wait, why does this actually look so normal? Is there no obfuscation whatsoever? That means that I'm gonna have to invalidate the note myself. I expected the printer to either cut up the photocopy or print it out in low quality, but my printer just copied it like a homework sheet, which means one of two things. Either my printer is stupid or the Indian money is unprotected from photocopying. But since my printer is from a Japanese company, I should try the Japanese yen as well, because I have a feeling that this gets way more interesting. Also, in a recent video, I took a CIA-style intelligence test to try and find someone's password using only the internet. Both the videos are on your screen now. Go watch them. But until then, I'll see you later, genies.